Hey, what's going on, guys? UDRC here, back with another vid, y'all. Finally got me my first Arrma desert truck, Mojave. I've been watching videos for a minute, and I finally said, you know what, let me go ahead and pull this trigger. I was gonna get the EXB, but I said, you know what, I'm not really a super hard basher. It would have been cool to get an EXB, but you know, just say, you know, let me go ahead and get one. Went ahead and grab one. And I did get the red one also, the same one. All right, so again, it's the Arrma Mojave. It's a 6S. It comes with BLX 185. It do about 60 plus miles an hour. And it is a 7 scale, guys. All right. I'm pretty excited for this rig. Man, it took me a while to get this guy. All right, real quick. Again, Mojave, it comes with the Spectrum STX2. I am going to get rid of this radio because I already know about this guy. And then the 15 RAM servo. Also, probably going to switch that out. It has a BLX 185 system, 2050 kV, 4S or 6S capable. And it comes with the IC5s connectors, which are also compatible with the EC5s. But I'm going to put XT90s as usual. All right, comes ready to run, waterproof, metal gears, 6S compatible again, BLX system, 2-year limited warranty, you know, requires batteries, charger, you know the deal, blase, right? All right, so, bring you guys on to the back. All right, so you can use a little color scheme right there. It has the realistic cockpit detail with the guys in the driver's seat. All right. These are color coordinated to, you know, your color, whether it be green or, you know, blue and red, blah, blah, blah. A multi-finish matte gloss body, all right? And ultra detailed for authentic, realistic look. And you got, you know, the rear bumper impact protection, the front suspension, heavy duty suspension arms, red anodized shocks and all that. Cool tires. Alright, so go ahead, flip it down, guys. I'm getting ready to go ahead and pop this guy open. I can't wait. I know you guys seen a bunch of these unboxing, but hey, this is my first one. Go ahead, you know, talk it through a little bit. Alright, you have your black anodized aluminum front and rear shock towers. Alright, aluminum anodized chassis. Your center roll hoop integrated to the body as well. Super durable wheel hubs, you know, oil-filled shocks. Again, connectors, STX2. All right, you never lose red aluminum servo savers. All right, and you got your 4-bolt transmission cover, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's quick and easy to change out, you know, your gear, service your diffs. You get the 2 screws, slide the motor out, quick change out, which is pretty cool. I like that feature for this setup. All right, you got heavy duty drive shafts, strong composite chassis side pods. All right, and you got, you know, center brace, all that good stuff. All right, so let me go ahead, guys. I'm going to cut her open, man. All right, so let me go ahead. All right, go ahead, cut her on open, guys, so you can see what this girl look like. Man, I watched so many videos, and I said, man, I gotta get one. That thing looks pretty cool. All right, so go ahead and get her ready. All right, go ahead and pull the cover off. All right, it's gonna be my first time seeing one in person. I've never seen a Mojave ever, guys. Never seen one. All right, here's the box. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh man, this thing looks good. I'll bring you guys in on that action. I mean, look at this guy. I really do. I'm glad I got the red one. Looks pretty awesome, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. Wow. I'm sure it's locked in. All right. Go ahead, pop this box right here. I'm sure it's probably the radio, toolbox and all that. Bring you guys back a little bit. All right. So you got your manual. You got your STX2 radio transmitter right here. All right. Got you get your bag here, bind plugs, shock tuning, little spacers. You can see a gear in here. It's probably the speed gear, the optional speed gear. I think it's with a 20 tooth, I believe. Little tools, little manual, all that good stuff. All right. Put that off to the side. All right, and then let's try to get this guy out of there. This thing is a beauty, guys. I like the top has these like slide bars. Should I get the body off? All right. About to get something to cut the car out. All right, guys. So this is her, y'all. Oh wow, the suspension feels super nice. Wow. I'm gonna tell you, my first impression of this truck, it is better than I thought it'd look. Like I said, I've never seen one in person, but man, it looks pretty good, man. I mean, I will say, I mean, compared to like the UDR and stuff like that, as far as the realistic look, it doesn't have that compared to that truck, but it still looks pretty good for what it is. I mean, I still like it. That doesn't, you know, lose any points in my book. And this guy is super nice, y'all. Wow. I mean, I don't even know what to say, man, to be honest with you. I'm gonna tell you this though, I am happy that I did finally pull a trigger. I don't know why it took me so long to do it, as far as the look and, you know, the overall feel and my impression of this truck. I mean, I can't wait to get out and run it, but I tell you what, man, just from looking at it, I'm very impressed. And I am super happy I bought this truck. It took me too long, guys. Look at that. Wow. Let's go ahead and pop the top on it so we can take a look. So for me, it's pretty similar to my like the infractions and stuff like that. As far as the layout, has the BLX 185, you know, pretty much the same electronics as like my Typhon and stuff like that. Just the you know, shock towers and stuff like that is a little different. But overall, man, it's a really nice truck. Suspension is super nice. Under the chassis, so it comes with the 50 tooth spur. I think it's a 16 pinion or something like that. On and off switch right here. I love the tub style, so it kind of keeps a lot of the debris and dirt out of it. And these plastics have some pretty good flex on it, so it's not going to just break. But definitely a pretty nice rig, guys. I said I'm not going to do a whole long video. It's a pretty nice truck. Really impressed with it. Definitely can't wait to get out there and run. Switch the connectors out. And man, get out there and run it, guys. So that was my quick little unboxing of this guy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.